Ah, peace and quiet.
Vroom! The turbo racer takes the lead around the couch.
Don't let that turbo racer spill any juice on the rug.
The pregame show starts in an hour. Can't wait for it.
Is this the house of the soon-to-be defeated?
My team has spheres on it. They're artistic, you know. My cars are faster than your spheres. They have spoilers.
Ignore the pit crew. Ready for the big match, my friend? Born ready! Let's get this beautiful screen warmed up.
But the Vroom Vroom Racers Marathon is on all day today.
We can record that, buddy. Today is a very special day.
No! My special day is more special than your special day.
Ben, come on. We talked about this. Give me the remote.
It's my remote now. The racers need me to watch them.
Andy? The clock is ticking. Kickoff soon.
How about a cookie? A big one? For the remote control?
The racers don't eat cookies. They only drink rocket fuel.
Why don't we watch for 30 minutes of each? A fair turn.
The first half is 45 minutes. I can't miss it.
The marathon has no breaks. It's a very important race.
Ben, that's enough. I'm the dad. Hand it over now.
You don't care about my racers. You only like your game.
We could just go to my place. My TV is lonely.
No, it's tradition, Dave. We always watch it right here.
I'm not giving it to you. It's mine. It's my treasure.
Oh dear. Now where did it go? I didn't see it land.
The game! We have to find it! Everybody look for it now! I'll check under the cushions. Maybe it bounced in.
Is this a treasure hunt? I hope there's a prize for me. It's not a treasure hunt. It's a remote control rescue.
What's this? I haven't seen this box in a very long time.
I remember these. You wanted to be an astronaut, remember?
I drew these all day. Mom said I was obsessed with them.
That's the kickoff! We are officially missing it!
He's just like I was. Why didn't I see that before now?
A fight is just a conversation that has lost its way. Sometimes you need a different way to connect things.
I found it! The remote is safe, but it looks very sleepy.
It's broken. It won't turn on. The screen is just black.
Well, that's it then. Game over for us, I guess.
I ruined it. I ruined the game and I upset my own son.
You didn't ruin it. You just forgot what it's like to be. His world is just as big as yours is to him, you know.
A different way to connect. That's what she said to me. Wait a minute. Ben, can I borrow your tablet for this?
What are you doing with my tablet? Is it going to TV land? Wow! The racers are giant! This is the best day ever now!
Now for my game. We can both watch what we want to see. See that red player? He's like your red car, Super Streak. He's trying to get past the blue cars to the goal line.
No way! My blue defender is way too fast for Super Streak.
Okay, but what if Super Streak passes the ball over him?
Hey, that's a pretty good strategy there, Ben.
My Belgium car can block him. He's got super tires now.
See? The connection was always there. Just needed a key.
Dad! The red car player scored a goal in the big garage.
He sure did, buddy. Thanks to your awesome blue defender.
Who cares who won the game? I think we had more fun here.
Can we play car soccer again tomorrow? Please, can we, Dad?
You bet we can. We'll make it our brand new tradition.